All right. So I've been planning on doing these videos for a while now. There's basically real quick. They're supposed to be like 5 minutes long. Hopefully, I can stick to that. Anything less than 5 minutes, they're just supposed to be like quick updates whenever I see a fear in the market, or I see euphoria in the market, or just confusion in the market. Most of the videos will be about, medium to long term, like really long term, like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. And medium term would be somewhere around a quarter, 3 months, nothing below that. Bitcoin doesn't care about anything lower than a quarter, I believe. Even that's too little. Okay, so we'll start with the full history on the monthly chart. All right, I just have a simple moving average of 1 year. So these are 365 days. And the RSI, it's really that simple. We look for patterns. Bitcoin always does these rise a channel basically during quantitative tightening or things like that. Like, it's a perfect example of how Bitcoin does still move higher whenever liquidity is tight. It's like the ultimate inflation and deflation hedge, in my opinion. So over a long period of time, you're up. As you can see, this is the regular chart. We're following these channels. This channel is a little bit longer, just strictly by, in my opinion, switching over from retail investors for all of this area here until about December 2022, when institutions in Wall Street took over and started buying up Bitcoin. When the ETFs were launched, I believe somewhere around January 2024, which was somewhere here. This is the first pump of the ETFs. And then the subsequent, this is the ETF buying. Everything else was retail pushing up price prior to that, and obviously like private investors, high net worth individuals. So yeah, we're at a turning point right now, based on the RSI, based on the channel, based on a 1 year moving average. I still think we still have a lot to go. We're just converging. I've never seen something. We did it exactly here, actually. We did it here. That's basically the update. And the reason for that, I think, is because also the DXY is in the dollar. This is the dollar on a long-term trend. This is starting from 1985. And it was always on a downtrend until the GFC, the global financial crisis here in 2008, and then it started outperforming other currencies as of 2008. So that's when QE1 started. And now we're on a pivot point, and the market is confused. Why? Because it looks like the DXY wants to run higher. That should be that should put a strain on risk assets, or we're about to find out if Bitcoin will decouple from that and continue on in its channel. If I had to choose a day in this in the next coming couple of days, I would say that DXY is ready to make a move somewhere around November 17th. I believe this uptrend will stop going higher, and then on the 17th of November it will start going down, and that's when Bitcoin should perform as well. I have these marked out here just to see. This is the same channel, just on a daily time frame, and I believe that maybe we should get some sort of bounce maybe around November 5, and then the bull market should resume November 17th, and we'll see how that goes. None of this is financial advice. This is just how I see it, just for educational purposes only. Thanks.